Welcome behind the scenes at anaturaldesign.com studios, where we connect you to nature through the language of flowers. We're working on a basic wiring tutorial for you, and by the end of it, we'll have several different wiring techniques that you can use for almost every situation that you need for wiring. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Lisa from watching us on YouTube, and she sent us her design, her inspiration design for her wedding bouquet. So we put that in the queue for a future video for you, Lisa. Thanks so much. And then Miss Cayetana sent us her inspiration photo for this kind of design that we'll be able to cover in a future video as well. So thank you both, Cayetana and Lisa, so much. For everyone else that's joining us tomorrow for our first Beauty and Blooms in-person event, we look forward to seeing you, and we'll have your promo bouquets as well for that. Today we're working on what's called a single leg mount wiring technique. We're going to use it in a design called a Highstyle, and in a Highstyle it's very minimal. And focal points. You can create something that people look at and want to keep looking at. So now I've created my wire. I'm going to do that again. We're just going to go straight up through calyx. There we go. And I've made sure to keep my finger here so the minute I could feel that wire going in, I could stop it. I'm going to do a gentle wrap around. And then now I know where I need to cut that flower. There we go. So now we've created, in very little time, a beautiful little Highstyle design to be able to use as a gift, or even if you like having flowers in your own house too. This is a nice little bookend table, something in the couch or in the kitchen or in the office that can fit and give you that bit of nature in your environment, so you don't feel like you're completely stuck inside and can't go outside. You can bring some of the outside in for you. So that's our single leg mount wiring method for the day, as well as a Highstyle design. And thank you so much for joining us. If you remember to like and subscribe, you'll be able to get more notifications. And thanks so much for joining us and being connected to nature through the language of flowers. Until next time.